Alright, I welcome you again to Microsoft Word 2019 Essential Training in Nigerian Pidgin. Today I go sharply talk about how Microsoft Word takes start, wetin be the first version of Microsoft Word and the latest version of Microsoft Word as at when I record this video. The first version of Microsoft Word will be 1.0. Now Charles Simeon and Richard Brandy develop am. Now Bill Gates and Paul Allen hired them for 1981. Word 1.0 can come out 1983. Word 1.1 for DOS come out 1984. DOS mean Disk Operating System. Word 2.0 for DOS come out 1985. Word 3.0 for DOS 1986. Word 4.0 for DOS 1987. Word 5.0 for Disk Operating System 1989. For this same 1989, Word for Windows come out. Him last in 1995, though them still dey develop Word for DOS. Word 5.5 for DOS come out 1990. Word 6.0 for DOS will be the last version for Word for DOS come out 1993. Then Word 95 come out. Word 97 come out. Then Word 98 come out. Word 2000 come out. Word 2001. Word 2002. Word 2003. Word 2004. Word 2007. Word 2008. Microsoft Word 2010. Word 2011. 2013. 2016. Office 365. Word 2019 will be the latest Microsoft Word version as at when I record this tutorial. For next lesson, I go talk about Microsoft Word 2019 interface. To follow up on this course, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Search for Kelvinomokor. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page at Kelvinomokor and at pidgintutorials. Thank you for watching.